Okay guys, so this is what you're going to see when you put on the machine. After the booting process, it's going to show this interface for you, leak test, flow. So what you are going to do is to click the confirm button. So you must have connected the two pins of the inspiratory and the expiratory, so that this test and the sensor test, everything is going to run through by itself. And at the end of it, it will show you pass. Then it will show this interface. This is the standby interface of the machine, of the ventilator. So you can see we have patient type adult, child, male or female. So you can do calibration. You can do any of these setup. That's if you are setting for the first time, you go to calibration, then ensure your oxygen sensor is connected. Then you just follow the prompt. That's the most important thing. You follow the prompt, ensure you follow the prompt. Then it's going to do the calibration. Then after the calibration, you can do the 21% calibration and 100% calibration. Then the process is just going to take you through itself, but ensure your oxygen source is connected. Everything is going to run fine. So you can see the 21% by this side, the 100% by this side. So we're going to do the calibration for you to ensure that the system is accurate and is going to deliver exactly what you set in. So this device is a simple machine to use. It's very easy. It's just a process, step-by-step process to do. So your pre-user test, there are some things you might want to test before you start using the machine. That's after every patient or before every new patient. So you can select it one by one, or for me, I prefer do all the tests because I can't tell, I might not be able to tell what could go wrong during the process of the treatment. So I select all. Then when you select all, you click on test, then it's going to run through the test. So now this, going back to the home page, this is the home page. You have the invasive and non-invasive. Then we have the weight of the patient and the height. So you can set all these patient parameters. So you can come and put patient information. That's the name, the medical records, the date of birth, the height, and all that. So it's important you do those. Then don't just ignore. So after you've set everything, the next thing to do is press enter. Then you can see the mode section where you have your volume control mode, pressure control mode, SIMV mode, spontaneous CPAP, and everything. So after setting, you just press accept. You accept, yes. Once you accept, it's in the pressure control mode. Now we're in the pressure control mode, and we will press start ventilation. So this is the interface why the ventilation process is going on. This is what you're going to be saying. Now you can alter any of this setting while the process is going on. Just click on the face. It's touch screen, as you can see. Just press any of this screen and you can alter the change. And on the left side, or before I go, please ensure that your ventilator is connected to a UPS. If you are in Nigeria, please ensure that it's connected to UPS. We know, just for safety purpose, ensure it's connected to a good UPS, if possible online UPS. Now we have inspiration hold, expiration hold, nebulizer. So you use this inspiration hold, just press down. So as soon as the yellow light is on, no inspiration is going on, is on hold. The same thing applies to the expiration. Once you press and the yellow color is on, nothing like expiration, is on hold. The nebulizer too, just press down for some seconds, then it starts nebulizing while you connect your nebulizing tube. So it's a simple to use manual. When you want to bag manually, just press the manual, then it will bag manually. Very easy to use. Like the features are very superb, like user friendly, ergonomic. The machine is strong and durable. You don't have any challenge. And let me state this, that we have technical support on ground in Nigeria. The accessories and parts are available in Nigeria, so you don't have to panic on anything with regards to the machine. So please feel free to like this video, comment on it, share, then subscribe to my channel. If you are seeing it on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, please subscribe to my channel, follow me, connect, and share to your friends, maybe doctor, nurses, biomedical engineer, or medical equipment dealers. Please, thank you very much. I really appreciate for your time. Please enjoy the rest of the video. So this video is put together by I and my team members. So I'm doing the voiceover while my team member are doing the rest of the thing. It's not just one man thing. So please support us. Let me put it that way. Support us. So this is just simple like that. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
That's what I'm saying. As a unit, good. Like if anyone, if this circuit now has a leak somewhere, it will just tell that this circuit is a leak automatically bad. This one I don't